Have you ever stopped to think about what's really powering you? I mean, right this second. It's an engine, a biological engine running nonstop. It powers every single thing you do, from just thinking to running a marathon. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're popping the hood on the body's engine, the cardiorespiratory system. All right, so let's get right into it. Think of the cardiorespiratory system as, well, it's like the most amazing delivery service you can imagine. Its whole mission, its entire job is super critical. It has to get oxygen from the air you breathe to every last cell in your body. And on the flip side, it has to pick up the trash, that's the carbon dioxide, and get it out of there. The main crew making all this happen, you've got the heart, the blood vessels, the lungs, and all the airways that tie everything together. So what's really cool is how each part has its own very specific job. You've got the heart, right? That's your central pump. It's this incredible four-chambered muscle that just keeps everything moving. Then there are the blood vessels. Think of them like a massive highway system. The arteries are the big freeways carrying blood away from the heart. The veins, they're the return journey, bringing it all back. And the capillaries, those are like the tiny little neighborhood streets where the actual deliveries of oxygen happen, right at your cell's front door. And finally, the lungs. This is the main hub, the exchange center. Deep inside, you have millions of these little air sacs called alveoli, and this is where the magic happens. They swap out the old carbon dioxide for fresh, new oxygen.
Okay, so how does this all work together? Well, it's this constant, perfect loop. It's beautiful, really. So first, you have blood that's carrying all that waste product. It comes into the heart, which then sends it over to the lungs. In the lungs, it's like a quick pit stop. It drops off the carbon dioxide and picks up a brand new tank of oxygen. Then, this fresh, oxygen-rich blood zips back to the heart, which gives it a huge, powerful push, sending it out to your entire body. Now, what about when you exercise? It gets even cooler. Your muscles start working harder, making more CO2. Your body has these amazing sensors that detect this, and they basically tell your brain, hey, we need to speed things up. And just like that, the whole system kicks into overdrive. That's why your heart starts pounding and you start breathing heavier. It's just a perfectly efficient, self-regulating machine.
So, why should you care about all this biology stuff? Well, it matters a lot, because if this engine inside you isn't running well, things can go wrong. We're talking about serious conditions like hypertension, that's high blood pressure, or atherosclerosis, which is basically when those blood vessel highways get clogged up and hardened. But here's the thing, and it's really good news. You have a ton of control over this. The choices you make every day, things like eating healthy food, getting some regular exercise, and definitely not smoking, those are the absolute best things you can do to take care of this system and keep that engine humming along for years and years to come. So let's bring it all home. The big takeaway here is that the cardiorespiratory system isn't just a bunch of separate parts doing their own thing. Not at all. It's this incredibly dynamic, perfectly synchronized team. You've got the heart pumping, the vessels transporting, the lungs exchanging gas, all in perfect harmony. It's this seamless teamwork that allows our bodies to maintain that crucial internal balance. It's a state called homeostasis. And that balance, that's what lets us produce energy. It's what keeps us alive. Okay, before we go, let's do a quick check to see what you'll remember. So, can you name the main players in this system? What's the #1 job of the heart? And where does that all-important swap of oxygen and carbon dioxide actually take place? Oh, and one more. What's the big difference between arteries and veins? Just thinking through those will really help lock in what we've talked about. Because, this isn't just some textbook lesson. This is literally the blueprint for the engine that's powering you right now.